Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today we're taking a look at and unboxing the brand new First Look Diesel True Wireless Earbuds. This is made by the famous Diesel brand, and it's branded Diesel on the outside of the case. This case is wireless charging capable, so you can put it on any QI charging pad and it will charge it up. When you open up the case, it shows you the charge level, and then here is the actual headphone itself. It has the D on the outside for Diesel, and these play for 8 hours, and you get additional 24 hours of playtime in the case once it's charged up, so you have 3 total charge times, and this spins around 360 degrees on either side, left or right. And there you can see the charge level once again. And immediately as you take it out, it will start pairing to your phone. It has IPX4 water resistance. It can work in a mono and stereo mode, and the outsides of the headphones themselves are touch sensitive for forward track, back track, stop and play, and it has a USB-C port right there for charging. So you can do wireless and or USB-C, so that's nice. And there's a little light that will blink on this side to tell you that it's ready for pairing or that it's connected. And then the lights stop blinking, which is nice. They have Bluetooth 5.0, and there is a red color version as well. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.